Most men unknowingly undermine their sexual health on a daily basis, often through simple habits they were never taught to avoid. But it doesn't have to be that way. In today's video, you'll learn 5 essential tips every man should follow to safeguard his penis, help prevent common issues like erectile dysfunction and penile cancer, and maintain top performance for years to come. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss powerful, practical health advice like this. And if you stick around until the end, there's an extra powerful bonus tip most men overlook. But it could make all the difference. The 5 tips we'll cover essentially summarize what every man should do to lower the risk of STIs, sexually transmitted infections, penile cancer, erectile dysfunction, and Peyronie's disease. If you apply them properly, your sexual health will see significant improvement. First tip, keep the penis active. Avoid long periods of disuse. This principle applies to any organ in your body. Just like your brain, arms, or legs, your penis requires oxygenation and regular stimulation to function well. And this isn't just about sex or masturbation. For those who aren't sexually active, tools like a vacuum penile pump or pelvic physiotherapy can help stimulate erections and support healthy function. Still, maintaining a healthy sex life is one of the best ways to prevent disuse, which can otherwise compromise the performance of your genital organ. Second tip, personal hygiene. This is absolutely vital. Although it may seem obvious, it's worth repeating. Proper penile hygiene is essential for sexual health. Today, countries like Brazil rank among the highest worldwide in penile cancer incidence, and the leading risk factor is poor hygiene. That's why regular cleaning with neutral or glycerin-based soaps, followed by thorough drying, is so important. It's also critical to wash the penis after sexual intercourse, as the vaginal pH differs from penile pH and may disrupt the natural flora. Third tip, be cautious about having intercourse with a partial erection. Why? A penis that's partially erect is prone to repeated micro-traumas during intercourse. These small injuries can lead to the development of nodules, which may eventually cause penile curvature, better known as Peyronie's disease. Fourth tip, avoid overconsumption of pornography. Excessive porn viewing can result in sexual desensitization. The brain can become conditioned to depend on specific masturbatory stimuli, which may diminish sexual responsiveness and performance with a partner. Finally, and perhaps most important, is maintaining healthy lifestyle habits. Your sexual health is deeply connected to both your mental and physical well-being. This includes a balanced diet, proper hydration, and adopting positive everyday habits. Keep in mind, factors like alcohol consumption and smoking play a significant role. Smoking, in particular, is a major risk factor for both erectile dysfunction and Peyronie's disease. So remember, the lifestyle you build has a direct and lasting impact on your sexual health and performance. Of course, improving your habits is key. But what if, beyond all of this, you could naturally and directly boost your sexual performance without medications, without drastic lifestyle changes, and with results far quicker than you might expect? Now let's move on to the final tip, the bonus tip. Many men haven't heard this one before, but it can make a huge difference. The advice is to develop the habit of sleeping without underwear, or at least with very loose-fitting underwear. Doing this helps prevent compression during natural nocturnal erections. It also reduces the risk of trauma to the erect penis caused by restrictive clothing. Such trauma can lead to the formation of local fibrosis, which may eventually cause curvature and result in Peyronie's disease. So, those were the 5 simple but essential tips to help you maintain a healthy, satisfying sexual life. If you feel comfortable, share your own thoughts or experiences in the comments below. We read every comment, and you never know who you might help just by speaking up. And if you found this video helpful in any way, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss future content.